Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Dollar Tree organization hacks or DIYs that you can do to declutter and tidy up your home using just Dollar Tree products. And as you may know, the Dollar Tree always carries a ton of organizers, bins, and stuff like that that you can use for organization. As you can see here, they have a ton of new little bins and different sizes, shapes, and which is great for every room in your home. And I love the new design on these bins here with the nice pattern. I'm gonna take this bin right here that sort of curves up on the top and makes it really nice for a pantry organization. I'm gonna use this for the essentials for your kitchen, as we all have like the our aluminum foil, trash bags, stuff like that, parchment paper, whatever you may have that is essential for your kitchen would be great here in this bin. So you can see here it's just laid in the corner, and as you may know from my previous videos, I have been organizing and tidying up and decluttering for my mother-in-law. Again, this is her pantry, so I am just helping her declutter and all of that stuff. So I'm going to place this bin right in here, and this is perfect for all of the trash bags, the aluminum foil, the little sandwich bags. Everything fits in here really perfect. Again, it's just to hold your kitchen essentials, your go-tos for everyday needs. You can have them in this bin and quickly grab what you need and place it back without having to scatter through the pantry to look for what you need. And I really love this bin and how it looks. It looks really nice, and I do think they have them in different colors, but for my Dollar Tree they only had this color, but I don't see why they wouldn't have the other colors from the collection. And if you haven't seen my previous video, do check that out, because I did also show some pantry organization using those pull bins at the top. And another way you can use this bin is for your cooking oils. This bin is just the perfect bin for those bottles. You can easily grab what you need when you are cooking and place it right back, and it looks great once again. And now moving along, we are in the Dollar Tree's glassware section. They always have out a ton of glassware, and they are always bringing out new ones. I recently found this glass bowl with a lid, and this was honestly a really good find because it is a really nice sturdy bowl, and Amazon is selling these for $12.99, and they are the exact same. So why get them for $12.99 when you can get many for $125 at Dollar Tree? And you can just see how thick that glass is and how nice it is. So you can use this for everyday on the go snacks, for when you are prepping, maybe your kids snacks, or if you're gonna go on a walk, on a hike, or whatever it may be. Just throw it inside of your little bag and you can have it for on the go, which is awesome because again, this bowl is not too big, so it is perfect for on the go. And Dollar Tree also has these 2-compartment little snack boxes, and this is perfect for multiple snacks as well for your kids if you are packing their lunch for school, or for maybe a sporting game that they're going to be going to practice, anything like that, to pack and have it ready. Even you can pack it the night before, leave it in the fridge, and when you are ready to go in the morning, just easily grab it. And that is that. And this lid snaps on really good. It really is nice and tight, which I love. So these little containers from Dollar Tree are a steal, and I think you should grab them. Even if you don't have kids, hey, everyone loves a little snack bowl, right? So these are perfect. I want to give a quick thanks to WILLWORK for partnering with me for today's video. You guys are not going to want to skip over this, because as you can see, they make the most beautiful jewelry, and they have everything from necklaces to rings 2 engagement rings and everything like that, and you can just see how beautiful they are. They have birthstone colors as well, and they are just absolutely gorgeous. Now this one right here that we are going to scroll up on is the one that I received, and this one is just so stunning. Now here is a little unboxing to just show you guys how beautifully packaged this is and how nice it is. I love the sleek look, and I love the color because my favorite color is green, especially olive green like this. So it is just really beautiful. And you can pause right here on top of the box. It just gives you a little background and their story, but it also comes with some things inside, such as a little gift bag. So if you are gifting this to someone, you have that there included. You also get a little envelope with everything inside, with a little thank you card, the cleaning cloth, and how to take care of the jewelry piece. And this is the box that it comes in. You can see how beautiful it is with the nice gold button, with the nice imprint of WILLWORK at the top. And now let's open her up. She looks so beautiful again, my friend. And honestly, my camera is not doing this necklace justice, I would say, because it looks 10 times better in person, but I'm sure you can tell how pretty it is, and I'm sure anyone in your life would love to receive one of their jewelry pieces as a gift. You're gonna get a discount using my discount code, so make sure you check the links in my description box for all of that information and for the discount code. And also, when you do sign up your email, you do get an extra percentage off, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, you guys, I hope you check them out because they are super beautiful, and I love the jewelry, and this necklace is 10 out of 10. And not to mention that they handcraft all of their jewelry pieces, which is amazing. And they have multiple designs that you can choose from. Well, colors, they have silver, they have yellow gold, white gold, rose gold, so you can pick your favorite. Give them a look, you won't regret it. And we are going to go in Dollar Tree's office section, where they have their office slash school supplies. They do have a ton of stuff out right now, a little bit of new stuff that I found, which are these little square containers, these tape dispensers. They have it in rose gold and gold, so that is nice. And they also have these extendable little trays. And what I also found is this nice magnetic dry erase board that is awesome for everyday reminders. Now you can place this on the side of your refrigerator and have your reminders right there when you wake up and walk inside of the kitchen. The marker does attach to the board. And I'm also going to grab these magnetic clips from Dollar Tree. These are super strong, and the clips are awesome to hang your, let's say, your car keys. If you have an appointment the next day and you want to just quickly grab it, you can hang it right there, so you don't have to go scattering around the house looking for them. Write your reminder down and then quickly grab your keys when you need to, which is honestly amazing. And of course, you can use the marker to erase those reminders as well, which is awesome because it honestly works really great. Now I'm going to show you another thing you can place on here. If you've seen my previous video, you know that I use these two magnetic little tins for an everyday reminder to take your vitamins, because I know that many of us may forget to take them on a day-to-day basis, and it's a nice way to have these little round magnetic containers. These are from Dollar Tree, and you can place them, just attach them directly to your refrigerator if you wanted, or if you want them on a little reminder board like this one, you can place it on the board as well, and just place down your vitamins inside of these tins and easily grab it in the morning, and you will be reminded every morning, every day, to take your everyday vitamins, your medicine, or whatever it may be. And I think that is super great for us that, you know, tend to forget sometimes, which is completely normal, but this is a great idea to stay reminded. Guys, if you are enjoying today's video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can be a part of my YouTube family. I do post once a week, so you get a new video every week. And you guys, while my video premieres, I always premiere my video, which means that you can come along and you can chat with me live, which is awesome. I'm always on there and I do comment in the live chat. Right there you can see where my arrow is, the live chat section. That would always be there when the video is premiering, and you can come and chat with me live, which is lovely, and I can't wait to see you there. You can also send me a thanks. It's just a nice way to show your appreciation and show me that you are enjoying and liking these videos. And my friend, I really do appreciate it, so thank you so much. I can't wait to chat with you guys on my videos when they do premiere. Don't forget to go on the live chat. I'm not sure if many of you knew that before, but now you know that you can chat with me while the video premieres and we can watch it together. Guys, when you are looking in Dollar Tree's office section, you are going to find these little organization trays. These are perfect for so many things around your home, not just for one thing. I think they really would look beautiful for some little organization for fruit in your refrigerator. Let's say you place down some oranges in one, some apples in the other, or whatever fruit you are going to place in these containers, so you can easily place them inside of your fridge. And if you don't have the pull drawer on your fridge, you can place it on the top fridge that you have, and it would have their own little place as well, and really nice and organized for your fridge section, which is awesome. And they are pretty big and nice and roomy, which is amazing. And I really love how they look once they are in the refrigerator. I think it looks really beautiful and sleek and keeps everything nice and clean. I hope you guys enjoyed all of today's Dollar Tree's organization tips. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can be a part of my YouTube family. And if you made it this far into the video, then comment down below our secret word, which is going to be sparkle for today, just because it goes really nicely with that necklace that I showed you. Don't forget to check out WILLWORK. That will be in my description box below. But I hope you enjoyed today's video as much as I did putting it together for you guys, and I will see you all on the next one. Take care and God bless.